Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kipulet jong ka East Castles District, ki bala tre shitam bha ban pen kedia ayo bot lom jong ki snar khayi drugs, ha ki arsngi kata ha ka ar bat ka lai trek ubnai nai lor, menta usnam arja ka khandai. Kelia ban kem hadu shphongot ki snar khayi drugs, bat yo korop ro hadu 6000 shispa khandai pusan gram udrop. Ka Superintendent of Police jong ka East Castles District ka Kong Claudia Lingwa bat ujak pal singh ubakli ya ka anti narcotic task force ha ka jingkran bat kinong pathai kubor ha ka sautrek mentau nailor arja ka khandai kilai tho bahaden ba kileo jingtep ka babnia na kitnat sentian ha ka artrek unailor arja ka khandai halor ka jingpen poi ya udrox na ka sorba Guwahati syakani ganung ba Shillong kila perlong ya ka jingpen upshrem ha viewpoint ka badan ha maulai mau yong rem ha ka jingtalasi ya kikali Kipulet kilayo ban bat ningkong ya wei ubriu ya balatep kerteng kum Alberto bat hadien balatoket kipulet kim shem layo kurep na kamet jungu Henry kilayo ya kisakhi kisabot kibabiang lengba ka mobile phone ba udai ubadan kti ban shem yo drugs na Guwahati bat banwanra syakani ngomba Shillong dailing ba ka jingyo kam ya Alberto ubalayalam ya kipulet sya Guwahati kipulet ketnat anti narcotic task force kilayo kam ya wei snar khayi drugs ya balatep kerteng kum Usashi Bat na kayeng sa jung abhidas kilayo korop shispa 400 gram udrox. Ha kajing tre hitam ka bajor kipulet kilayo korop hadu 6000 shispa khandai pusan gram udrox na kisnar khayi drugs jong ka sor Guwahati ki bajudan kti bancalan yu ne ujing di bapen bo aj syakani ke jela Meghalaya. Ha kajing toket ikini kilaingot kipulet kilayo kem saya ka wei ke kentai balatep kerteng kum ke Gresi. Bat na kani ke breu kipulet kilayo korop sa hendreuspa khandai pusau gram udrox. Hadian gajing petang gajing khandra ha kalai terek unai lor arja ka khandai pan kipulet kilayo korop hadu arspa nyup gram udrox na kawai ke yeng ke badan halat kor.
Again we have busted a huge group of drug suppliers, but the detail will be given by Mr. Jappal Dhanwa, and here the reason for this conference is because the fact that we have managed to block the entire route from Manipur to Shillong. See, there are two vehicle routes for vehicles that come out of Manipur. One is the route that comes via Jiribam and comes to Shillong, and the other is of course the normal bus route from Imphal via Dimapur goes to Guwahati. So now in this particular seizure, which the team had to actually move from one place to another, entire consignment has come out from Guwahati. So we were doing this line, now they have tried to shift their route to this line, but since we have been so alerted and the idea is to stop the flow as much as possible, this team has really worked night and day to ensure that we manage to get the maximum of whatever consignment that they have brought in. When the route was coming from that side to here, we are always arresting maximum people from Manipur, okay, Manipur state. But now that the route is coming via this way, those guys don't come here. Our guys go there to collect. So these are the guys that are the suppliers in Shillong. They are the main suppliers in Shillong. What the suppliers do is they will pick up consignment of 20, 30, 40 soap boxes. They come here, then they distribute to the small dealers. So you will see in this particular seizure, all the maximum of the arrested people are Khasis.
On the second morning, around 8:30 a.m., we got one information from our source that one guy named Alberto Raplang is coming from Guwahati with 40 soap boxes of heroin. Then because our information was specific, so we could ID the person who was the one who was carrying. But unfortunately, there was no drugs which were found in his car. So we sort of interrogated him on the spot and tried to go through his phone. and we could see very incriminating text messages and calls. There was one person who was on our radar already, and there was one case pending against him. His name is, first name I remember, Mr. Sashi. He's from Manipur. So we saw that this guy is in direct connect with Mr. Sashi, and there were exchange of texts which were very incriminating. So finally, we, through our tactics, we were successful in, prodding him to take us to Guwahati. From where did he get the stuff? As a matter of fact, this boy, Alberto Raplan, he himself is a drug addict, and it was a very risky thing to take a drug addict outside your state, because suffering can start any moment. It might backfire on us also, but we took that calculated risk in the interest of justice. So when we took him to Guwahati, he took us to one place, Beltola. We obviously legally we informed the Guwahati police that local police station made GD entry and everything, and one local sub-inspector also accompanied us to the spot. So then we conducted search at house of one person whose name is Abhidas. Sashi, whenever he comes to Guwahati, he used to stay at house of Abhidas, who it appears is close business associate of Sashi. Now when I say close business associate, it is not a normal business, because both of them are not drug addicts. Both of them are actually sellers. Hardcore sellers, hardcore businessmen. So then when we searched the house, they had meticulously hidden the stuff inside the body of the inverter. So we could find approximately 124 grams from the body of that inverter. And Sashi also accepted the fact that Alberto had picked up 40 soap boxes from him on the morning of 2nd. So then we further interrogated Sashi. So he told us that this stuff has actually come from Nagaland, and there are 3 persons who have come from Nagaland with this stuff, and they were residing in a hotel nearby. So we went to that hotel, we conducted the raid. Since they had already given Sashi all the stuff, they came with 70 soap boxes, those guys from Nagaland. 40 were given to Alberto by Sashi. 20 were given to another dealer in Barpeta, whom we did not follow because that is not our jurisdiction. Then the third, those around 10-12 soap boxes, those were found inside the house of Abhidas, right? So that is the one portion, those 70 soap boxes, this is how they were accounted. Also, since we could not find anything, but we know the causal link between them, so we arrested them, and we also seized the vehicle which was used to bring those drugs to Guwahati, and subsequently those drugs finally landed in Shillong. Then Sashi also gave us input about another lady who had come from Manipur. Her name is Gracie, and she was also living in a lodge. So we went to lodge, and as a matter of fact, ma'am, it took us 2 hours to find the particular lodge. Why? Because he told us that in this area he has seen her. So when we raided the room of Gracie, we were able to recover whooping 694 grams of heroin in 59 soap boxes. Then after that, it takes a lot of time for NDPS procedures and all. So we could only reach back Shillong on the morning of 3rd at 7 a.m. Then, obviously boys were very tired. Everybody, our investigating officer also. So then, we went for sleep, and then we got up and we resumed our raid yesterday evening. So we had source input that, okay, those 40 soap boxes we could not find, but now it was confirmed that they were bought from Guwahati, that Alberto only got them. Then there must be his accomplices. So we started grilling Alberto, and we had our sources on the ground. So finally we had to go to 3 different houses, and 5 different people were interrogated, and in the middle of night around 1:30 ma'am, we finally found 24 soap boxes at Lycor, at house of one person. So the long story short, the quantity was 277 grams approximately.
No, we will give them the full amount.
Yes,
of
the full
amount.
amount of quantity which is recovered from this raid is 1195 grams.
Which is more than a kg.
Yes, and total arrested persons so far are 10.
From this particular grade?
Yes, this entire from
This
Guwahati,
entire- Whole
Shillong,
episode.
and and we are not ruling out further arrest because as per our calculation,
There's
there are
some
still 15 soap boxes missing.
missing.
During this entire raid and whatever work we have been doing, there is one thing which is really coming up every time. That is that these boys, they are fools of highest order. See, you have to understand, they are businessmen. And here they are addicts, they risk their lives, they go out, they are found with this big quantity, and I'm telling you, their intention is as simple as, ma'am, to fund their addiction. And through medium of you guys, I would want to rake up a very important issue that we have to take care of our boys.
No, the same thing we have reiterated that the maximum dealers will be themselves addicts, but the point has reached a point that not only supplementing their addiction, but they also have learned that selling drugs on the street in Shillong will earn them huge big time money.
Revenue.
So, they are earning so much money, but there is no interest to actually treat themselves. They could,
Yes.
they could actually have gone for rehab with the kind of money that they are earning. See, the street value of Puria, that small little thing now, has reached to almost 1200 from 200, because the scarcity of drugs in Shillong now is so much that such people would take the risk to go all the way to Guwahati, pick up the stuff and risk being caught. That is the risk they're taking. But even if not being intercepted by us, the kind of money they would earn from selling this much, it's like in crores. But they're not even willing to treat themselves. This is what I find it so strange and so amazing. See, a person, that is why in most rehab centers, the people have to have the will. They themselves have to have the will to treat themselves. If a person himself does not wish to reform or to get out of this habit, it's very, very hard because he can be kept in a rehab center for 6 months. The doctor has assured that, okay, the minute he hits the street, back.